When I first heard that Dan started seeing Kelly, I thought to myself, I have to meet this girl and see if she's worthy enough to be with Dan. Then I met Kelly and thought to myself, is Dan worthy enough for Kelly? I immediately knew she was the perfect match for Dan. She's the yin to Dan's yang, the peanut butter to his jelly, the beer to his bong, and the Pam to his gym.
The first night they met was when we were at a mutual friend's house. Kelly told me the next day that she thought Dan was a weirdo. Because he didn't talk to her in person the whole night, but messaged her the second she left the house.
Well, this is it, baby. The day we've been looking forward to for a while now. I know these past few years have been long and hard, especially this week. I'm sorry it hasn't always been sunshine and rainbows. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous, but that's just for the vows. And I know you're a little nervous as well. But we have each other, you and I against the world. You're the reason I get through most days, the person I want to fight for. You're my person. I can't wait to see you in your dress. I know you'll look absolutely gorgeous. Let's make this a day to remember. I love you to the moon and back.
Daniel, I've always believed in fate, and meeting you was proof that the universe gives us what we need, exactly when we need it. You are my sun, my moon, my stars, my everything. I can't thank you enough for the love you have shown me, a love so deep and selfless, a love I didn't know could exist until I met you. Today isn't the start of forever. I think that started a long time ago. I cannot wait to be your wife. One final request before I do, please don't wear your poop socks. Here are some socks in case you don't have any others. I love you forever and ever.
I got him socks because he only had his poop socks. Yeah, they say love me a good poop. And I was like, please don't, maybe don't wear those ones today.
Daniel and Kelly, your love is something that you both cherished. So much that it moved you to an engagement on a cliff. Yeah, okay, yikes. And then to today, your wedding day. Today, you dedicate your lives to giving one another happiness and support.
It's me.
Oh, you look gorgeous.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous. Dress is pretty. Yeah.
You're getting married.
I know. You getting excited?
Yeah.
Ooh, baby. You look good.
Train. You look handsome.
Thanks, you look good, babe. Thanks. Only I got them. Yeah.
It isn't always easy being the best thing that ever happened to you. But you're also the very best thing that has ever happened to me. When we first met, I wasn't looking for love. In fact, I was trying pretty hard to avoid it. But the more time that we spent together, the more I realized that there was no denying the way I felt for you. You felt like home. You made me feel safe, you made me laugh, and you encouraged me to always be true to myself. You are so silly, so kind, and so patient. I can't wait for our kids to have a dad like you someday. My favorite part of every day is coming home to you. You're the one I want to do everything with and do nothing with. The one I want to share my life with. I promise to laugh at your jokes, even when I've heard them 100 times. I promise to support all of your endeavors and to make sure you make time for the things that matter to you. I promise to walk through every part of life with you, to laugh with you, to cry with you, and to celebrate with you when life brings us joy. Above all else, I promise to continue choosing you and loving you with every piece of wheat for the rest of my life.
Kelly, I have been looking forward to this day for a very long time. Little did I know that this smart, caring, beautiful, crazy girl that sat across from me at so many house parties, the girl that can beer bong probably faster than anybody here, would be the girl in my dreams, the girl that I would fall in love with and eventually ask to marry me. And you gave me one rule, not to do it on Valentine's Day. Sorry, it was on Valentine's Day. When I dreamed of this day, I always wondered who would be standing up here with me. You by far have surpassed any girl I could have ever dreamed of. I honestly don't think there's enough time in the day to list off everything I love about you. But know this, I will always be there for you through thick and thin, the happy and the sad. I will laugh with you, I will cry with you, and I will grow old with you. I love you, and I just can't wait to start a family and watch you become the most amazing mother any child could ask for. I know you'll be the best.
I love you.
Kelly, Dan, it is my great pleasure to pronounce you officially husband and wife. All that? All that?
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
I know you've kissed 2 or 3 times maybe in your life, but this time, Dan and Kelly, you get to share your first kiss as husband and wife. Congratulations to the new Mr. and Mrs. Daniel and Kelly Welch.
I could stay here a minute more. Every second that we miss is one less chance we get to kiss. Baby, I just got.
I want to keep the Welch name going, so therefore, give it about a year or so and start popping them out. All right? I wish you both a long, happy life. Okay? Just remember, you got to have a sense of humor. All right? And Daniel, at times, you got to learn to keep your mouth shut. Now, Daniel has said he does wear the pants in the family when Kelly lets him.
Thank you all for coming. Hope you have a good time. Don't stress the small stuff. Love you both.
The love that these two have for one another can only be captured in a romantic comedy straight out of Hollywood. Let's raise a toast to my best friends.
I look forward to continuing to watch your relationship grow and forever being your third wheel. I love you guys. Cheers to Mr. and Mrs. Welch.
Wherever we go, whatever we do, whenever there's me, I hope that there's you. Happiness grows, not through your wages, your body, or clothes, but in laughter and love and in sharing your life in the arms of another as husband and wife.
It's too late.